Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive into today's episode. What we're going to do is set up the Tangem wallet. So if you haven't seen the video already, and check out the links in the description below, I did an unboxing video of the Tangem wallet. So what we're going to do in this video is set it up from beginning to end. So if you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend that you check it out. So in that video, we unbox these 3 cards, and this, in my opinion, is going to be something that I most likely use going forward. So I give you my thoughts and I compare them to the Trezor, Ledger, LEPAL, the CQX, and other wallets that I have. So for this video, all you need is a cell phone and your wallets. So this comes in the 2 or 3 card wallets. And one side note, everything in this video is educational. This is 100% my opinion. Tangem, they sent me this wallet, but I never asked for money. And I told them this is going to be 100% my honest opinion. All we're going to do to get started is I'm going to screen record on my phone. So we got that going on right now. So what we're going to do is go to the getting started piece of paper, and it says download the Tangem app. So it's a nice piece of paper. You got a QR code, kind of like scanning a public address. So we're going to scan this and we're going to allow. And right here, we are going to get the Tangem crypto wallet. What we're going to do is display this on probably my left side. So here we're going to install. And supposedly this only takes a few minutes to set up. Now we're going to open up the app and it says order card or scan card. We're going to scan our card. We're going to be creating a new wallet. So I'm going to take one of these cards and accept. Create wallet, ready to scan. Add up to 2 backup cards. So we're going to do that. Add a backup card. Dig a frog, you're ruining my video. 2 backup cards added. Finalize the backup. Create access code. So I'm going to create this. And we're going to hide this, of course. Re-enter. I like this a lot so far. Scan the primary card. That's going to be the first one, right? All right. So backup card number 1. Scan the card number 1. Okay. So right now we're scanning 3 cards, but we might as well do it properly from the get-go. All right, so we got number 2. Backup card number 2. Whenever it's more than 1 card, the moose gets confused. Okay, so we have backup card 2, backup card 1. So 1, 2 backup in our main card, just to get things a little situated. So success. Now, depending on which set you ordered, there's the 2 or the 3. So you wouldn't have to back up 2 cards like I just did. You may just have to back up the 1. So it would be even swifter. So there we go. Looks like we have our wallet in front of us. So that's the idea of the cards, is that we have our backups. So if we ever lose this card, then we can go back to our backups, which is really cool. And we don't have any seed phrases written anywhere, which is really nice. Very, very, very interesting to think about. So when you're out and about, keep this in your wallet. If you lose your card, go to your backups. And this is never written down. So your keys are never on paper. They're not exposed, which is pretty cool. So manage tokens. Let's click on that. So I already saw the Bitcoin, Ethereum. Maybe we'll add some Solana if we can. So we'll hit main, save changes. We'll put in the access code. So I'm going to put that in. And ready to scan. I like doing that. That's dope. So we just added Solana. So manage tokens. We got to add some ADA if it holds ADA. So we got ADA Cardano. Wow. Cardano main. Save changes. Put in the code. Yeah, the moose is getting loose. Comment down below if you have a Tangem wallet or if you're impressed by the Tangem wallet. This is really nice. So it looks like we have a Cardano address. There you go. Send me some ADA, guys. Send me some ADA. Send the moose some tokens. All right, I'm really impressed. So if we hit organize tokens, we can even organize these. We can group them. All right, and it's as easy as that. So if you ever close your app, just reopen it, scan your card, put in your passcode, and you're ready to sign into your account. So that is awesome. And I assume it's going to be the same thing for your backup cards as well. So let's add another token. So manage tokens. Maybe we could add some, let's see, some Dogecoin, like a Dogecoin account. So now we're going to add a Dogecoin account. We're going to see if it works with the backup. So here I'm going to put in a password. So now we're going to use a backup card. And that works. So we just added the Dogecoin with our backup card. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I must say I am rather impressed with the Tangem wallet. It definitely hit my expectations. I had pretty high hopes for this wallet, and it definitely checked everything off. But I am rather impressed. This is a wallet that I'm most likely going to be using as my everyday carry. I don't know if I like the idea that I don't have a private key, but the fact that I have 3 wallets in total and 2 backups is really nice. So this is going to be my main card. I'm going to throw it in my wallet. And for those of you that want to pick one up, I have a link down in the description below. Again, check out the other videos on Tangem and check out the other videos on the channel. Comment your questions, like the video, subscribe for more content, and also check out the link tree. In there, you're going to get links to all the hardware wallets, and you can save yourself up to 25% off. And you can also get access to our exclusive online courses that will take you from beginner to pro with everything crypto and NFT. So that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.